Virgo, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, good, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this page. Been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is unconditional love. Understand you're unconditionally loved. I know that you feel loved. Therefore, everyone around you should feel the same positivity, same love that you're lucky to have. The universe loves you. You get your way. You always have your way. You get positive energy and compliments from the universe. Therefore, they're showing you this is how you need to treat people. This is how you attract your community, your crowd, your new people. There's easier to attract bees with honey than with hate. That's not the saying, but I want to show you that it's easier to attract people with your positive energy and with love. There's no weapon in the world or no characteristic in the world as strong as love. Your biggest adversary, they will turn into your best friend because they're fighting you with hate. You return your tactic is with love. They'll be confused and say, I don't know why I'm trying to hurt your feelings, but you keep on loving me. You keep staying positive. You're my friend. I'm going to make sure that you prosper, even if I don't want to see you prosper for some reason deep down inside. My mission is to make sure that you prosper because you're not trying to hurt me. You're only trying to help me. Therefore, I'll help you. My heart is free from resentment towards others. I open my eyes of my heart and discover the light and beauty in every being. Once you look into someone's eyes, the gateway to their soul, you understand. You see their inner child, their innocence. Even if they're most ignorant, even if they're most mean, you can see the child inside of them. Therefore, you give them grace. A child doesn't know. Even if they do know, they know not what they do, and you give them grace. That is going to propel you to the next level of maturity and strength, where the small things don't shake you or land your attention. Only positivity. You'll say, well, they'll learn along the way. Give them some grace and keep moving. They'll remember you, and you will be rewarded for it. I'm aware of the suffering that causes distress and hurt in people, because hurt people. Heal people. I see the pure child in everyone. I practice forgiveness. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.